We have introduced casting in previous videos, and one thing I want you to be aware of is that all values in F# can be casted to the object type. So let's say we have some variable here, x equals 1. If I execute this, we will see something not very surprising. Okay, we can see that we get value x of integer is equal to 1. Now, what I can do is I can say y instead is, I take the same number, but I instead upcast it to object, like this. And if I execute that in F# Interactive, you can see that the type of this parameter is object. So any type in F# can be casted to the object type. And you might ask yourself why you would want to do this. And there are a few different scenarios, but maybe two quite frequently occurring ones are firstly interoperability. So whenever you're interacting with other .NET libraries, for example, or APIs that expect or return object types, it might be useful to upcast values to the object type. The second thing is collection heterogeneity. So if you have, for example, lists with multiple types that you want to include in a single list, maybe you want to save that somewhere in your file system, it could be useful to put all those objects or all those types together using the object type to be able to sort them in a list and then save that wherever you want it. So there are a few cases where you want to actually do this kind of casting. It's not that frequently used, and in general you lose some of the type safety features of F# whenever you do this, so I wouldn't recommend using it in your code very frequently, but there are some scenarios where this kind of upcasting is useful, and I just wanted you to know that all different types in F# can be casted to the object type.